again. So we were already done with two topics, simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today I am going to teach you present perfect tense. Perfect, as the name goes, the work which is completed with perfection. I'll tell you something to remember. See, this is your state right now and the work is just recently completed in front of you. Then you will use which type of tenses? Present perfect tenses, because the work is perfectly done, recently done. Okay, so I'll tell you the rule first of all. In the affirmative or positive types of sentences, the rule goes subject plus has have plus main verb's third form and object. Okay, talking about singular subjects, for example, he, she, it and name, they use which helping word? Has. And talking about the plural subjects, that is we and they use have. And I and you are the exceptions, which being singular, they use have as their helping verb. Okay, then main verbs, third form. You need to remember all the time that if something is done, if you are talking about present perfect tense, you have to use main verb, third form. And then object. So I'll take an example. I have written a letter. That means I am done with writing a letter, no? So I have written a letter. If I'll talk in Hindi, so मैं letter लिख चुकी हूँ, चुका हूँ, चुके हैं. हाँ, so guys, so I have written a letter. See, written is the third form of write. Talking about negative sentences, subject plus has have plus not. Just one thing to remember, not plus main verb's third form and object. So I have not written a letter. Fine. Talking about interrogatives. Interrogatives, just one thing to remember, helping verb is exchanged with the subject. Helping verb will come in first position and subject will come next. So has have plus subject plus main verb's third form and object. So have I written a letter? Have I written a letter? Now talking about double interrogative. A double interrogative which cannot be answered in yes or no, you have to speak some words to answer my question. So double interrogative is WH family, who, how, what, why, when. So WH family plus has have plus subject plus main verb's third form and object. So like, whom have I written a letter? Whom have I written a letter? Again, one more thing I'll tell you. I told you the definition of present perfect tense, no? So what recently I'm done with teaching you the definition of present perfect tense. So what I'll say? I have taught you the definition of present perfect tense. I hope you got it. Now, talking about the uses, okay? Where all other fields like you can use these type of sentences. So with the very first one we'll go to express recently completed work or action. For example, the train has just left. The train has just left. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Talking about another application, dear students, to indicate a past action that is completed but the time is not known. But the time is not known, like when it was done. So example is, she has left this house but we don't know when. She has left this house. Okay, like talking about, have you read The Tempest? Have you read The Tempest? Even I don't know time, isn't it? So another example is, he has been to London. So do you know the time when he left? No. So he has been to London. Moving to the third application, that is to express action that were completed in the past but they are related to the present. For example, dear student, the house has been locked for months and it is still closed. It is still locked. Nobody has opened it. Something that has happened in the past but still in present you can feel its presence, no? So to express the action that happened in the past but are related to present. For example, she has been ill for 3 weeks. वो पिछले 3 महीने से बीमार है but still she is ill. I hope you got the point. Now talking about the last application of present perfect tense, to express past action whose presence can be felt in present, dear students. For example, he has always written with his left hand. So the thing is, dear students, he used to write with his left hand and you can see that. He has not changed his habit. Still he is writing with his left hand. He used to write with his left hand. For example, she has eaten all the biscuits. She has eaten all the biscuits. So probably you're seeing an empty plate. So easily you can make out that she has eaten all the biscuits. So this is all with present perfect tense. I hope I've given you a good idea about it. Now, dear students, to tell you about simple present tense, or if you want to know about present continuous tense, I am going to give it in the description box. You can easily find it out. And now I would like to request you to please wait for my next video on present perfect continuous tense. Thank you. Bye bye. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.